Foodies, Chef Pete is here. And what do you do with leftovers? You make what? What? I hear you. Eggs, onions, sausage, peppers, sausage and peppers and eggs. Right, okay. So here I've got some Italian sausage going here in our pan. Getting it all ready to go. And then what I'm going to do is with our sausage and peppers, I'm going to get all of our beautiful sauce and everything right in here, our beautiful, delicious. And what we're going to do is get all of these beautiful onions and peppers with our sausage, and we're going to get them so they're nice and ready to go when I put our eggs, which I've done here. I've got our eggs ready to go right in. As soon as these get reheated, make eggs with the eggs. So sausage, peppers, onions, and eggs. Okay, and that's what we're doing. And as you can see, I'm gonna let this cook for a while so that everything gets nice and hot and ready for our eggs to go in. And we get rid of some of this oil water out of here, because I don't want it to have so much that the eggs become watery, okay? So we will be back and we will show you what happens when the eggs go in. So this is Peter Pizzas out!